and welcome to Scale Car Garage. Well, I want to announce that we're going to hold an event here at Scale Car Garage on our Kits Spa track, and we would like very much to have you participate. So without further ado, let me explain what we're planning here at Scale Car Garage. So I would like to invite you to participate in the Scale Car Garage 356 Grand Prix Challenge. Scale Car Garage 356 Grand Prix Challenge. This competition will be open to the first 6 entrants who purchase a Scale Car Garage 356 body kit at a cost of $40 USD and have a completed car ready for competition to Scale Car Garage by June 14th, 2024. The cost of shipping the body kits to the entrants will be paid by Scale Car Garage. The cost of shipping the car to Scale Car Garage to participate in this competition will be paid by the entrant. The cost of shipping the car back to the entrant after the competition will be paid by Scale Car Garage. The cars must be received by Scale Car Garage by June 14th, 2024. The cars will be driven over the weekend of June 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, 2024. The cars will be driven in 2 timed free practice sessions, one in each direction to ensure proper operation and to determine the optimal controller settings for each car. On race day, each car will be driven by me, John, as quickly as possible for 15 laps clockwise and for 15 laps counterclockwise on the Kits Spa circuit. The car with the lowest combined lap time on race day will win. The total revenue generated from these sales, $240, will be the source of the prizes to be earned by the entrants and distributed as follows. First place, $100. Second place, $50. Third place, $40. Fourth place, $25. Fifth place, $15. Sixth place, $10. The competition will be held on the Kits Spa circuit, which is composed of Carrera track pieces, which have been painted with latex interior house paint, is 55 feet in length, is powered by a pyramid power supply set at 11 volts using Professor motor controllers, and resides in Scale Car Garage. For a tour of the track, please feel free to view the episode of Scale Car Garage that is in the description below. For a cost of $40 USD, entrants will be sent a Scale Car Garage 356 body kit. The kit is composed of body, interior, boot cover, dashboard, photo etch sheet, resin cast, stock steering wheel, racing steering wheel, side view mirror, rear view mirror, windshield, headlight lenses, wheel inserts, body side moldings made of steel, driver body, driver head, and driver arms. All components of this kit are to be used in the build as provided. That is, no part can be altered in any way, with the following exceptions. The side view mirror, rear view mirror, and windshield wipers can be omitted. The Porsche emblems are optional and at the entrant's discretion. The body mounts, as cast in the body shell, may be altered and or removed to accommodate the entrant's scratch-built chassis mounting system or method. Also included will be an 030 motor, 4 wheels cast in resin with set screws that fit on 3 32nd axles, and 4 40 Shore urethane tires, which must be used on the completed car. Axles will be provided by the entrant. Gearing is up to the entrant. Chassis layout and material used in its structure is at the entrant's discretion. So that is the event. I'm really looking forward to your responses, and if there is anything that I missed or overlooked or you have questions about in the rules, by all means put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to address them. I'm sure I may have overlooked something. I did my best, but I really tried to keep the rules as simple as possible so that everyone could, well, have fun participating. I hope you'd consider participating. I'll be doing the driving. You know, it always comes down to the nut behind the wheel. I'll do my best, but I just hope that this is something that would interest you. And again, this is building season, at least in the northern hemisphere here. The weather is such that it's good indoor weather. So I thought this would be a good time to announce it and deliver your kits to you, get you building. As per the rules, I ask that the cars be at Scale Car Garage by June 14th, 2024. Gives me some time to, you know, well, get them organized. And then the week after, the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, there'll be practice and the actual laps. So look forward to those who wish to participate getting in touch with me. The easiest way is via our email address, which is kit9161@rogers.com, and that will also be in the description below. So thank you very much. Looking forward to your hopeful participation in the Scale Car Garage 356 Grand Prix Challenge here at Scale Car Garage. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.